Okay, man. Just remembered I have to drink water, and then I'm doing many things. After just I remembered about it. Yeah, little delays, but doing the thing and feeling good by myself because I just remember. Next time, remember it very good. That's that. Of course, man. Yeah, I got a write-up notebook. Nah, it's not that big anyway. So that's that. Yeah, not that big. Main thing is, yes, we used to have the same thing like this, but this is not the one exact one because there used to be a break wait a minute, here somewhere, but there isn't. Yeah, it's like in the middle, so it's not. So that's that, and definitely, yeah, I can see it with my real eyes. Nope. And man, this is so fun, man. Serving memories like see the sound. Man, the sound. Just like a safe vault. Yeah, some code. That's that. Great. A safe vault. Safe locker, of course. And there's this. This is very rare though because wow, there's a magnet. Nah, but when I'm opening though, it's like the. That's so rare because they wouldn't let me open this back at the house. But here though, it's so decommissioned. I can do anything I want. And there's this buttons. And there's the big power. And there's this too, man. And there's one here too. That's the rarest. There's one there, something. My spirits fall off.